what we're making is a ramen-inspired deviled egg. Ooh. So you get all the flavors of ramen in a 1 or 2 bite hors d'oeuvre that you can serve at a party or just make, you know, for a Saturday night.
Okay.
So really simple. I have some mushroom stock here that I made just of pure mushrooms. I added no water to this, and I added carrageenan and iota, carrageenan and kappa, and and locust bean gum, our star of the show today. So I have this tubing here, this high temp tubing that we sell, and also one of our rapid caviar makers.
Perfect caviar makers.
Perfect caviar. So yes. I'm going to fill up this too, and then just pull it right out of there. It's that simple. And I'm just going to put it into a little bit of ice water to set. And this right here is a little jellied concentrated ramen broth that we made. And it's a quick ramen broth, so you don't have to go through the entire 8-hour process. Okay. So I added gelatin to my ramen broth. So I'm going to put it right on top of the soft egg.
Is it a tea egg? Is that what you said it
Yep,
was? Okay.
Yeah, so I did a tea egg here. Just mirin, soy sauce, sugar, and tea. And then soaked it in there. You can go for as long as you want. I wouldn't recommend over 8 or so hours because then you start to lose moisture out of the white itself. So I'm just going to gently pump out the noodle here. Wind this right around the half sphere of ramen broth. Sit it right on top there. Then we have a bit of scallion that we put right on just as a garnish. You can garnish with whatever you want.
And we're just going to swap in our demo plate right now for kind of a finished plate of the hors d'oeuvres, such that this is kind of what you would see. So you can kind of see here what a beautiful plate this is, and it looks so good. It smells really good, and I'm sure it tastes amazing too. So we can't wait to eat it after this.
Great, you can eat one right now.
I will eat one right now.
So
no, okay, we have to take pictures of it afterwards, so I cannot eat it right now. I'll eat it afterwards.
If you want this recipe, or even if you want individually, if you want just the tea eggs, if you want just the concentrated ramen broth, you can just go on our blog and you can pick out the recipe that you want, and then you can find it there, as well as the noodles.